You invest in SEO. You fix technical issues, publish content, and optimize your website. Then you wait, and nothing seems to happen. No traffic spike, no sudden leads. This delay isn't a failure. It's how SEO actually works. SEO isn't a switch you flip. It's a process that search engines evaluate over time. First, search engines need to crawl and index your site correctly. Then they assess whether your content truly answers real user questions. They look at backlinks to determine trust and authority, and they monitor how users interact with your pages. Things like engagement, time on page, and bounce rate. Even when everything is done right, search engines wait for consistency before rewarding improvements. Modern search engines rely heavily on AI, and AI doesn't react instantly. It looks for patterns. It observes how users engage with your content over time. It checks whether new pages align with search intent, and it evaluates whether improvements are consistent, not one-off changes. That's why early SEO progress often shows up quietly, through better crawling, more impressions, or new keyword visibility, before rankings or traffic move. AI is only part of the equation. Website age matters. Established sites usually move faster than new ones. Competition matters. Crowded industries take longer to break through. Content depth and freshness matter. Backlinks take time to earn and validate. And technical improvements are foundational but rarely rewarded immediately. SEO success comes from all of these working together. Even when results aren't visible yet, SEO is often working behind the scenes. At Faster Solutions, we help businesses across Minnesota, Colorado, and beyond build digital strategies that perform in today's AI-driven search landscape. If you're ready to turn smart strategy and modern SEO into measurable growth, contact Faster Solutions today.